हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ट्रैवल बाइकर विजय। काफ़ी दिनों बाद एक छोटा सा वीडियो आपके लिए बना रहा हूँ। इनफैक्ट ये इंट्रोडक्शन है मेरे सभी सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए। इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी एक अपना बेकरी आउटलेट स्टार्ट किया है, उसका नाम है बेकर्स डिलाइट, और इसको हमने खोला है ममून में। ममून बेसिकली एक बिगेस्ट कैंट है नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया का, एंड जस्ट उसके बाहर एक मार्केट है ममून मार्केट, वहाँ पे हमने ये आउटलेट खोला है बेकर्स डिलाइट। तो ये बेसिकली एक इंट्रोडक्शन है कि बेकर्स डिलाइट को लेके मैंने एक अपना इंस्टाग्राम पेज, अपना गूगल पे उसको पेज बनाया है इंट्रोडक्टरी, फेसबुक पेज है उसका, और आज जो मेरा सेकंड स्टेप है वो है कि मैं एक इसका यूट्यूब चैनल बना रहा हूँ, बेकर्स डिलाइट। तो इन्फॉर्मेशन थी, और प्लस आपको मैं इसके साथ एक एडेड रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ अपने पूरे आउटलेट का। प्लीज़ एंजॉय कीजिए और जितना हो सके सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बाकी बेकर्स डिलाइट चैनल बनाने का मकसद ये है कि जो भी मैं चीज़ें यहाँ पे रखता हूँ, जो आती हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बता सकूँ। वीडियोस शॉर्ट होंगे लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे, इंटरेस्टिंग होंगे, तो आप ज़रूर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अ स्मॉल शो राउंड टू my bakery outlet. It is known as Baker's Delight. Now we are standing at Mamoon Market. This is outside the biggest Kent in the northern part of India, known as Mamoon Kent. So this is the market, Mamoon Market, and towards this side is Pathankot or Dalhousie Road, and this side is the TCP gate. We are just 10 steps away from the Mamoon Kent, and you can see all the shops all around here. This is one of my boards, and the name, as you can see, it's Baker's Delight, a bakery outlet, and here's the shop. This is the bigger board, the Baker's Delight. That's my mobile number, a bakery outlet. Now what I have created is a kind of theme. Now this is a small sitting area. Currently we are not serving much, but if anybody wants to wait or wants to have a pastry while sitting here, they can do it. And now this is a small sitting area that I have created, and we'll be adding up a few more pots here, bigger ones, and this is my Ninja 650 standing here. It always adds a grace to my shop. And this is the front look here. Let me take you inside. Now currently we are in developing stage only, so we are adding things daily, day by day. Now what I have, you can see confectionery items here, and that's the main fridge storage display counter. Now we have pastries, we have cakes, and all type of confectionery items are there. You can see donuts, these are homemade. Plus I have this packing box. This is a chocolate box. You can see this is 4 chocolates. These are made by self only, and we give it off for 50 rupees. And now we have donuts, we have sandwiches, we have cream rolls, and if you see that side, we sell patties also, but currently we do not have it. We have all type of cold drinks, we have juices here. We deal in Tropicana juices. We have these gift packs from Ferrero Rocher. We have Cadbury's gift packs, and we have all sort of birthday items like these crowns are there. We have balloons. We have bigger balloons. We have birthday tags. We have masks. Almost everything is there. We have candles, sparkle candles. We have foam, and we have birthday poppers also. We also deal in cookies. So this is one of the assorted cookies. It's a gift pack item. We have cookies here as well, and you can see cookies all around. Here we have cookies, and we have chips and namkeens also. This is all rusk. Here we have rusk, we have bakery biscuits, and we have fans also. So that's how the shop is. And if you look at the interior, this is the view from inside the shop, and this is the lighting which I have done. This is rope lighting. You can see a beautiful chandelier here, which is rope based only, and I have two hearts here. So currently still a opening stage. Now I'll be adding few things as we move ahead, and I plan to start probably our pizza first, and donuts as if we have already started, so we'll be adding tarts also, and that's the view that we have. And this is breads also we deal in. Okay, thank you. I hope you liked it.